Welcome to our exclusive review series where we deep dive into the world of IoT and automation. We will cover technical specifications and real world industrial applications. So stay tuned. Hi, this is Abhishek.
Hi, this is Sumit.
And we are co-founders of StatStream.ai. Welcome everyone. Today we are here to dive into Wago PLC. This is a compact and powerful controller for Wago or modular I/O system, and this is actually a DIN-rail mountable PLC. So Sumit, can you walk us through some of the key specifications?
Yes, definitely. So, what is important, Abhishek, that this PLC support a lot of field bus communications, and also it has many analog input and output provision as well, wherein you can add analog digital input output cards. It also has two Ethernet ports for switching and network topology. Also, it has a RS-232 and a 485 port for communication with any of your field serial devices.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in the programming perspective, it is highly versatile PLC, right? And it supports Codesys 3.5 and eCockpit as well. It has a Linux operating system, and it also has a very easy to use modular web UI interface.
Right.
Also, from a hardware perspective, it has a Cortex A8 32-bit processor, as well as which supports 1 gigahertz of frequency, and supports a lot of programming languages like instruction list, ladder diagram, and function block diagram. So Sumit, maybe you can walk us through the protocols that it supports.
Right. So, as I told you that it supports many field bus communication protocols. So, primarily it supports Modbus, TCP, UDP, and RTU. Also, it supports Ethernet protocols, IT protocols such as FTP, HTTP, HTTPS, and also it supports MQTT, thereby enabling it to connect with any of the IoT platforms as well.
Okay.
Also, it supports OPC UAL server client architecture, so which helps you to connect with other PLCs, gives you a forward and a backward compatibility with all these SCADA systems as well. Also, it supports BACnet, thereby giving you the strength to use it for building automation as well. Also, it has as you correctly pointed out, that it has a web visualization tool. So it enables you to program a HMI in the PLC itself, so that you can have a web visualization on any of your network machines. And also it supports telemetry protocols such as IEC 101, 103, 104 and 60-unit50. So makes it a very ideal solution for a substation automation as well.
Awesome. So it has really wide range of applications, and from your experience, what are the major applications that it supports?
Right. So I told you that the major applications that you can go in, or rather use it with, is definitely, as I told you, that it supports IIoT, MQTT and HTTPS. So you can use it for IoT. And then I told you that it supports your telemetry protocols.
Correct.
So you can use it for substation automation as well. Other than that, since it supports BACnet and other protocols, you can use it for building automation. And also it is widely used in food and metal processing, other than packaging industry. As it supports, I told you that substation automation is one of the key features. So all the telemetry protocols supports. And also it gives you, since it has so many communication protocols and a strength of IOs as well, analogs as well. So it makes it it gives you a very good edge in terms of communicating with other PLCs in terms of industrial automation.
Awesome. So we have discussed a lot of positive features this PLC offers, right? So do you think anything missing in this?
Probably a very difficult question to answer.
Yeah.
But then in terms of the programming software, as you said, that it also supports eCockpit. So eCockpit is not a freeware. With other makes, you normally have the programming software as a freeware available to program the own PLC. So probably that is one space for improvement, I do believe.
Okay. So as we saw, like Wago, it has very robust set of features, right? and also wide range of industrial applications. So it also readily connects with cloud-based IoT platforms like
Right.
our StatStream.ai. So yeah, thanks Sumit for connecting with us today.
Thank you, Abhishek. My pleasure.
Yeah. So so that's it for today. Drop your questions and comments. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.
Thank you.